quarter pounder with lettuce, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, and bacon. Here's my fries. Sometimes I do this. Then I dip them into barbecue.
This is a test message. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a "This is a test message" tornado warning for all counties in north central and northeast Illinois until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information about the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is being issued in part of Illinois and National Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and received, and to test warning systems. At this time, please review tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school.
Not real turkey, though. I had my dad make fake turkey this year, for Mortimer's sake.